Every time a mosquito bites, it injects saliva with anticoagulants under the skin. They prevent blood from clotting while it feeds. This very saliva caught scientists' attention. There's hope that based on it, we can create drugs against blood clots and for treating cardiovascular diseases. But that's not all. The structure of the mosquito's proboscis has inspired engineers to create needles that are almost painless. Thin, serrated, vibrating, they enter the skin as imperceptibly as a mosquito bite. And using these technologies, they're also developing guides for inserting electrodes into the brain. Turns out, mosquitoes aren't just bloodsuckers, but true engineering geniuses of evolution. And yes, your next vaccine might be administered with a needle designed in the image and likeness of your nightly enemy.